7. Natural solutions for dry skin and hair during menopause. Are you tired of battling dry skin and brittle hair that seems to appear out of nowhere during menopause? You're not alone, and today, we're revealing 7 natural, science-backed solutions that will have you glowing and thriving again. Stick around for tips that are simple, affordable, and life-changing. Hi there! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we bring you the best tips for living your healthiest, most vibrant life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. And if you're already part of our community, thank you for your continued support. You're the reason we do what we do. Today, we're diving into a challenge many women face during menopause: dry skin and hair. It's more than just a cosmetic issue. It can affect how you feel about yourself and your confidence. But don't worry, we've got you covered with 7 natural solutions that will leave you looking and feeling radiant. Let's jump in. Menopause is a natural phase of life that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. While it's a time to celebrate the wisdom and experiences you've gained, it also comes with its fair share of challenges, particularly when it comes to your skin and hair. These changes can feel sudden and overwhelming, but understanding the underlying causes can help you tackle them head-on. The primary driver of these changes is the fluctuation and eventual decline of hormones, especially estrogen. Estrogen plays a crucial role in maintaining skin hydration, elasticity, and overall health. When levels drop during menopause, it affects several processes: reduced oil production. Sebaceous glands in the skin and scalp produce less oil as estrogen decreases. This leads to dryness, flakiness, and a lack of the natural sheen you may have taken for granted in earlier years. The scalp, in particular, can become itchy and tight, contributing to brittle hair and even hair loss. 2. Decreased collagen and elastin. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and plump, while elastin ensures flexibility and resilience. With lower estrogen levels, the production of these essential proteins slows down significantly, causing skin to lose its elasticity and appear saggy. The same goes for hair, which can become weaker and more prone to breakage. 3. Increased water loss. The outer layer of your skin, known as the stratum corneum, acts as a barrier to retain moisture. During menopause, this barrier becomes less effective, leading to transepidermal water loss. This explains the persistent dryness and the tight feeling in your skin and scalp. 4. Thinning skin and hair. Estrogen helps maintain the thickness of both your skin and hair. As it declines, skin becomes thinner and more vulnerable to external irritants, while hair may lose its density, leading to finer strands or noticeable hair thinning. In addition to hormonal changes, external factors play a significant role in exacerbating dryness during menopause. Environmental elements like cold weather, low humidity, and excessive sun exposure can strip your skin and hair of much-needed moisture. Lifestyle choices, including diet, hydration levels, and stress management, also have a profound impact. Moreover, menopause can increase your sensitivity to ingredients in skincare and hair care products. Harsh chemicals, sulfates, and artificial fragrances might not have bothered you before, but during this phase, they can further irritate your already sensitive skin and scalp. While these changes may feel like an uphill battle, they are not irreversible. By focusing on nourishing your body inside and out, you can combat the effects of menopause and restore vitality to your skin and hair. The key is to adopt a holistic approach that incorporates proper hydration, nutrition, and gentle yet effective self-care practices. Menopause is an opportunity to focus on your well-being and embrace the changes as part of your journey. With the right strategies and natural solutions, you can not only manage these symptoms, but also feel empowered to glow with confidence once again. Before we dive into these solutions, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. While these tips are backed by research, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you have underlying conditions or take medications. Let's uncover the 7 natural solutions to combat dry skin and hair during menopause. 1. Hydrate inside out. The first step is staying hydrated. Your body needs water to maintain skin elasticity and prevent dryness. Add foods rich in water content like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens. Bonus tip? Include a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost that supports collagen production. 2. Add omega-3 fatty acids to your diet. Omega-3s are a game changer for combating dryness. Found in salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, these healthy fats help maintain your skin's lipid barrier and keep your scalp moisturized. Not a fan of fish? Omega-3 supplements are a great alternative. 3. Use natural oils. Natural oils like argan oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil are rich in nutrients that hydrate and nourish both skin and hair. Massage a few drops into your skin after a shower to lock in moisture or apply to your hair ends to prevent split ends and breakage. 4. Switch to a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Harsh cleansers strip away the little natural oil your skin produces. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or aloe vera. This small switch can make a huge difference in how your skin feels and looks. 5. Don't skip SPF. Sun damage exacerbates dryness and speeds up collagen breakdown. Protect your skin by applying a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher daily, even on cloudy days. Many sunscreens now come infused with hydrating ingredients, giving you double the benefit. 6. Incorporate a humidifier. Dry indoor air can wreak havoc on your skin and hair. Investing in a humidifier adds moisture back into the air, especially during colder months. Place one in your bedroom to wake up to softer, more hydrated skin and hair. 7. Embrace herbal supplements. Herbs like evening primrose oil and black cohosh have been known to help with menopausal symptoms, including dryness. These supplements may support hormonal balance, leading to healthier skin and hair. Again, consult your doctor before starting any herbal remedies. And there you have it. 7 natural solutions to tackle dry skin and hair during menopause. Which of these are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, menopause may bring changes, but it's also a chance to embrace self-care and rediscover your inner glow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more empowering content just like this. Until next time, stay radiant and take care of yourself. You deserve it.